Today we are really very excited for the signature of a contract with Atom for the realization of a plant in Villeta in Paraguay for the production of solid green fertilizer. And the exciting part of it is that this is a first of its kind project, and Casale is really excited to be part of it. In Casale we have the vision of being a leader, also leading the transition to sustainable production of fertilizers and base chemicals. In this line we have been developing since more than a decade technologies for the production, sustainable production of such products. This morning I heard a sentence saying that leadership is the capability of transforming a vision into reality. And with the Villeta project we are exactly at that point. So we have the first application, the first, let's say, transformation of our vision into reality. And this is very important also for us to reinforce our leading position as a supplier of technologies for the production, sustainable productions of fertilizers and base chemicals. In addition to that, of course, this project is a milestone for the entire industry because it is showing the ability of making and producing such chemicals in a sustainable way. As I mentioned, this project is a demonstration of the fact that fertilizers and chemicals can be produced in a sustainable way, can be feasibly produced with sustainable resources. And so this project will serve as a catalyst, will be a very strong catalyst to make this dream of producing chemicals with sustainable resource becoming true. And this will serve as also an example to follow for many other projects and many other companies that wish to invest in this line. The main challenge is probably the fact of having to, let's say, reduce the cost of the plant to such an extent that the project would become available. And this was possible thanks to a very deep optimization of our technologies and our, let's say, proposals. And so the way we reached it is thanks very careful integration of our technologies and very deep engineering work that at the end of the day made it possible to reach the result. Another important aspect is the cooperation with the client, and that is of course key, and that has been an important factor to reach the goal. Casale has applied different technologies from its portfolio to this, for this project, and they are all well-proven technologies. We start from green electricity, hydropower, to transform it into hydrogen and through a water electrolysis process. Hydrogen is combined with nitrogen that is taken from the air, and then nitrogen and hydrogen are fed to a loop, ammonia synthesis loop, where ammonia is produced. The loop is a Casale technology also, and is very much optimized for the production of green ammonia. That means for the production of ammonia starting from green electricity. Ammonia is then transformed into nitric acid with a Casale dual pressure technology, which is a very efficient technology featuring very low ammonia consumption and also energy consumption. Nitric acid is combined with ammonia to produce an ammonium nitrate solution with the Casale pipe reactor technology, which is a very reliable technological step. And finally, the ammonium nitrate solution is solidified with the Casale granulation technology to produce calcium and ammonium nitrate, which is the final product that the plant is going to produce. Casale, as a matter of fact, has designed already 100 years ago plants, ammonia plants, based on green electricity, hydropower. And in addition, throughout our history, which span more than 100 years, we have been constantly innovating, developing and upgrading our technology, and not only the ammonia technology, but also all our technology, so that from a technological point of view, we feel very confident, thanks really to our past and to our development that has been done through the years. In addition, a very important point that is making this project a reliable and successful project is the fact that Casale is owning all the technologies and also is playing a role of the EPC contractor. This really is a very strong guarantee that the project is going to be a successful project. There are several elements, in my opinion, that will lead this project to be a very successful one, although it is first of its kind one. First of all, Casale has a perfect integration of all the technological steps required in the project. Secondly, this integration is combined with an integration of all the project implementation steps, being Casale also the EPC contractor for the project. And finally, also extremely important, is the fact that Casale and Atom are very aligned on the vision and the targets of these projects. So those are really very important elements that are making this project to become a successful one.